Hi, Diane Phelan here with LATICRETE International, Product Manager for the STONETECH Surface Care line, and I'm here to show you how to use STONETECH BulletProof Sealer to protect countertops from staining. This product is great for countertops, backsplashes, walls, and floors inside and outside the home. It protects porous natural stone, tile, masonry, and grout surfaces from oil and water-based stains. STONETECH BulletProof Sealer is a water-based formula that's safe for use in and around your home, especially compared to solvent-based formulas. Okay, so to get started, we're going to clean the surface, making sure it's free of waxes or coatings. You'll also want to mask off any surfaces that will not be treated. Next, apply an even coat of sealer to the surface using a paintbrush, low nap roller, paint pad, or a low pressure sprayer. Try working in small sections to avoid the surface from drying out. Let it penetrate for 10 to 15 minutes and add more sealer as needed. You want the surface to stay wet during this time. Then you're ready to wipe the surface dry and clean. For more porous stone, apply a second coat 30 to 40 minutes after the first application. Your stone can be used just after 6 to 8 hours, and in 24 to 72 hours, your stone will be fully cured and protected. And that's it. For routine maintenance, choose a neutral pH cleaner like STONETECH Stone and Tile Cleaner or STONETECH Revitalizer Cleaner and Protector, a 2-in-1 daily cleaner and resealer designed for natural stone and grout. Avoid highly alkaline, acidic, and abrasive cleaners as they can degrade your sealer. Thanks for watching, and choose STONETECH for your next project.